Hey, what's up, action takers? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today is gonna be episode 2 of 5 winning products that you should sell right now if you want to make sales with your Shopify store or your drop shipping business. Now, just before we start, I am going to be sharing the product links and the video links in my Facebook group. It's the first link in the description. It's called the Ecom Action Takers. If you want access of that, then make sure you join our Facebook group. Now, at the end of this video, I'm also going to be announcing the winner from my previous video who commented to win a one-on-one consulting call with me. So make sure you stay tuned. And if you want to win yourself a one-on-one consulting call with me, follow me on Instagram, comment down below #ActionTaker, plus a little side comment of what kind of videos you want to see from me next. Now we're getting close to 1,000 subscribers, so I would appreciate it if you guys smash that like and that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell because I'm gonna be uploading more videos from now on, so there will be more valuable contents for you guys for free, which means you don't want to miss out. Anyways, let's get started. Alright. So this is the 5 winning products to sell right now, episode 2. Now, most of the products that I'm going to be mentioning here is from my own product research methods. I created a video on this, basically sharing 7 unique product research methods that you can use in 2019 to find winning product. Also, 3 of the products in this video I found from esniper.com. Basically, eSniper is gonna help you find winning products a lot faster, because finding products are actually the most time consuming thing that you can do when drop shipping. I'm also going to be providing the affiliate link of eSniper in the description, so make sure you go sign up there. Anyway, let's get started. This is product number 1, the 2-in-1 LED lamp plus humidifier. This is actually pretty interesting because most of the products or the winning products nowadays are either 2-in-1 or 3-in-1 kind of a thing. So what I mean by that, it has multi-purpose, and that's actually a good indication that the product is solving multiple problems, which means it's easier for you to target people, to find your audiences, and also to market that specific product. The product cost for this is $10.77, and you can probably sell this for around $30. You can just see the perceived value of the product. How much would you pay for this product? The profit margin is around $20, so $19.50. I wouldn't go under $15. It's just going to be hard to make it profitable. When you're targeting using Facebook ads, you can probably use LED lamps, or night light, or somewhere along those lines. Now let's have a look at the product itself on AliExpress. So actually I found a cheaper version of the same product. You can see here they're about $8.80 or even $6 on some. I guess you get that bonus if you get the $8.80. I don't know what that is. Maybe that's for the humidifier thing that you put in the middle. But anyways, you can use that to advertise this specific product here. Okay, now don't just copy the AliExpress description. I always say that on my videos. Just create your own product description and make it appealing to the customer, because if you just copy it off here, some of them are not even in English, or some of them doesn't even make sense. I also found a video of this product, which I will be providing the link in our Facebook group. So this is the video of the product. This is pretty cool because you can actually put your own captions here. You don't have to edit it out much, okay? And look, it's an LED lamp as well, so that is a win-win situation. Product number 2 is the electric physiotherapy foot massager. The product cost for this is $10, which is, you know, roughly the same as the lamp that we talked about previously. And the selling price, you could do $30 or more, because, you know, this product here has a very, very high perceived value. You can even bump it up to $35 or $40 if you want to. But I would start off low just to get the data and see if there's actually tractions with the product. And the profit margin would be $20 or more. I would target on Facebook ads the interest, wellness, alternative medicine, or people who likes running, or even people who plays basketball. And you know, you know where I'm coming from here. Start using the suggestion tab for Facebook ad along these interests that I mentioned here. Let's actually have a look at the AliExpress link. So this is the product here. It's about $9.50, like I said, and basically there's two models here. I'm not sure what the difference is. One looks like it's a weird shape, but this one is just a square. Okay, now if we play the video, you know, there's no captions in there, which means you can put your own captions in there. So that's pretty cool. You can play around with that. They got some nice pictures here that you can use in your product description, but don't just straight copy it. Awesome. So product number 3 is the beer belt holder. I actually love this one. I'm gonna tell you why. Firstly, the product cost is only $4. Now the selling price, as you can see, is about $25, and the profit margin for this little thing here is actually pretty high, $20. Now there's a lot of variations, and we're gonna be looking at that once we go in the actual product link. But you can target people, or mainly men obviously, people who like beer or drinks, partying, or barbecue. Okay, now let's look at the link here. You can see here that they have different variations, so you can definitely market this really, really well. We can also see the video here. They got a short video. Okay, so that's pretty cool. That gives you an idea of what the product does. But I'm gonna tell you why it's going to be really, really good for you guys to test this, because it's gonna go viral. These kind of products will go viral because it's funny, it's engaging, and people would actually watch this because they find it entertaining. And that's probably one of the biggest tips I can give you guys from this video, just because you guys will get less or cheaper cost per impression, better engagement, and better quality data if you make a funny video of this. Now I'm gonna show you one video on Facebook that I found. Look at the engagement on that. Okay, even the laughing emoji is like second after the like button. Okay, and the shares is like 7,300 shares. That is insane. And like I said, you know, make it funny, make it unique, and make sure that no one has seen that specific video that you are going to make before. Don't just copy the videos from this. Create your own one, and that's how you're going to be able to gather new audiences and potential customers for your website. And product number 4, I actually like this one as well, the anti-cut kitchen gloves. The product cost for this is $3. Selling price is around the same, $25. Profit margin is $20. Now you already know why you would want to sell this. It's because it has that multi-purpose as well. It's gloves, and also it's anti-cut. So when people are, you know, in the kitchen cutting meat or vegetables, they can use these gloves to keep themselves clean, and also they won't be able to harm themselves. Make sure you use that to your advantage when you are marketing, and put emphasis on how you are going to solve their problem. Let's just have a look at the product link here on AliExpress. They have different sizes as well. Include that into your product description. We can also play the video. So it's a 2-minute video. They actually have an introduction, which is really weird. I'm not even sure if this is the anti. Oh yeah. So you can use this as well, but I'm also going to be showing you guys a video of the actual product. So this is the video here. Look at that. That's insane. That will catch people off guard when they're watching it on their feed, you know, like what the heck is this guy doing trying to cut off his thumb? But actually, once they see that video, you know, these gloves is actually going to help them. So we can see here that some decent amount of likes and comments, and also it looks like it hasn't been scaled yet, so take note of that. Ride the wave and you should be able to scale this out if you market it properly. The final product here is the 7-color LED rejuvenation mask. I'm pretty sure most of you guys have seen this, but if not, I'm gonna be talking about this on this video. I actually tested this product last year, and the product cost was around $30, so it was hard for me to put profit margin on that. I saw a cheaper cost for this, which is around $18, which means you can lower the price and then more people would buy it, because I was selling it for around $60 and I was getting sales. Okay, I might try this again, but who knows. Here it is. You guys can definitely test this one and put a higher profit margin in here, which means you should be able to scale easily. The target for this is acne, makeup brands, wrinkles, self-care. I used all of these interest when I tested this product last year. So this is the product link here. You know, it has that entertaining vibe to it as well, similar to the beer holder, because you can see, like, why would someone put a random mask in their face? Okay, now this is actually gonna help them, you know, facial aesthetic, skin care, remove acne, and just for, you know, beauty purposes. Definitely target women here. And also check out the review, you know, 4.9, 140 orders. We can definitely use this to test on our website. Anyways, if you learned something new here, or if you found any products interesting, then definitely test that. Don't be lazy. Always take action. And don't forget to join our Facebook group. It's the first link in the description if you want to have access to the links to the videos and the products. I appreciate your time. Smash that like, subscribe, and that notification bell.